Okay, we have a Zeiss Axioplan 2ie imaging, and we have this set up with DIC. It's a transmitted light DIC. We have a DIC prism in the condenser, and it's also a polarizing condenser, and we have an analyzer in the cube turret, and we have another DIC prism just above the objective. And we have a live blood sample on the slide. And you can see in the image, you can see the red blood cells. So this is currently looking using DIC. And I'm going to rotate the DIC prism, the knob on the DIC prism, which changes the shear plane. We're going through a pseudo dark field at this point, and then we're going to go to the other side of it, just keep rotating it. And I'm also focusing it at the same time with a fine focus, and it just gives me different contrast and a little different image. Let's move the slide around. Pretty sharp focus there. Well, it's sharp depending on which blood cell you're looking at. There again, it's 63 power magnification. You don't have everything in focus at the same point because they're at different planes. So something's going to be out of focus. And we can see some of our background here. We can see some of the DIC coming out at us like a three-dimensional effect. Let's try to get some of this into focus in the background. All of these are starting to show a relief, like a relief contrast. Let me move the slide around a little more. And by the way, this is oil immersion. We do have a drop of oil on the slide. We did try this with Darkfield Dry, and we did not get a very good image. Let's move over to Darkfield Dry. This is Darkfield. I'm going to pull off my analyzer. There's no analyzer, there's no polarizer, and now there's not even a DIC prism. And we're looking at Darkfield Dry. There's a Darkfield setting in this condenser, and it does not have the oil top on it. And that's as good as we get, which is really not that good. If we wanted to do Darkfield and get some good images, what we would want to do is to take off this condenser and put on a dedicated Darkfield oil condenser. So let's take it back off of the Darkfield, and let's go over to our DIC again. And we're going to put in our prism. There's the DIC once again. So this is a live blood image of showing our red blood cells using a 63 Plan-Apochromat objective lens with oil immersion under DIC. Okay.